Today on Echine ZA, we're going to be taking a look at a mini DJI Mavic clone, the Eachine 5.8 foldable drone. Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Trishan and welcome to Echine ZA. If this is your first time here and you're interested in consumer tech, creative builds, product reviews, as well as home networking guides, you can start by hitting the subscribe button and clicking the bell icon to get notified every time we post new content. So, this drone was purchased from Banggood, and a discount link can be found in the description below if you're thinking of purchasing one. And if you remember, many moons back in our mail time, this was the drone that we've seen there, and today we're going to be unboxing it. So out of the box, what did we receive? Right, so the first thing is of course our Eachine 5.8 radio controlled quadcopter. The next thing is our remote, and we received, so you can get different amounts of batteries. I ordered 3.7 500 milliamp hour lithium ion batteries. There's supposed to be a USB charger here, but I can't find that. We received 4 protector covers for the propellers and 2 spare propellers, as well as the screwdriver, and of course the carry case. So when you are ordering this, you do get different options. So you can choose 1 battery, 2 batteries, you can choose whether you want the carry case or not, and that would adjust the price that you pay for this item accordingly. So obviously a person buying 3 batteries won't pay the same amount as someone buying just 1. Right, so let's get on with talking about some of the features and functions and features of this Eachine 5.8 drone. So some of the features of this drone: with its foldable arms and small size, it is easy to carry, and it comes with an altitude hold mode. So this function provides stable flight. So if you're flying, it would stay at the height that you stopped. It wouldn't go up or down. It has built-in Wi-Fi capabilities, and with that you could actually connect to an app which is available on Android, and you can take pictures and video, as well as view in real time what the drone is seeing. So basically you're seeing what the drone is seeing in real time. It comes with a 2 megapixel 1080p wide angle camera. So this gives you a really wide range of high definition videos and photos. It comes with a headless mode, so there's no need to adjust the position of the drone when flying. It has 1 key return. So basically while you're flying, and if you wanted to return and land, you just press that button. You don't need to fiddle with flying and fighting the wind and stuff like that. It has 2.4 gigahertz technology, so there's no interference. The drone can fly up. It does regular flight, forward, backward, left, right. But the one added bonus is that it can do a barrel roll. So the drone is made of high strength plastic. Well, it's said to be made of high strength plastic. In my testing, I've flown it into a roof, I've flown it into a balcony. The only things that were damaged were the propellers and not the fuselage itself. The drone has a 60 to 70 minute charging time, and from that charge time you can get between 7 and 9 minutes flight time. Its radio control distance is between 80 and 100 meters. So in my opinion, what are the pros and cons of this drone? The pro is that it's small, compact, and can be fitted in your pocket, with the added benefit of flying with your phone. So anywhere you want to go, just put the drone, your battery in your pockets, and obviously you're going to have your phone with you, because who leaves home without their phone anymore? And you're flying, you're good to fly. So some of the cons: it has poor handling. So I've flown the DJI Mavic 2 Zoom, and I'm used to that control. And with this drone, there isn't so much of control in it, and that's why I've said I've crashed enough times with this drone in testing, as well as when I was messing around with this drone. So the other thing is that because of its small size, indoors it's fine to play with, but if you try to fly outdoors, you'd have to have a really dead still kind of day, and the slightest of wind would push this thing off course. And even though I mentioned the altitude hold, it does no good. Right? So it might hold the altitude to a certain degree, but if you've had a radio controlled device before, on the vehicles you can balance between left and right. So if your vehicle is pulling a bit to the right, there was actually a little dial underneath of the vehicle that you adjust left or right. With this drone, it's the same thing. You have to adjust how the propellers spin so that it's not veering too left or too right. But the problem with that, there's no dead center. So it's either too much to the left or too much to the right, unfortunately. So I think that's enough talking. Let's do some flying with the drone. My final verdict of the Eachine 5.8 mini drone: it's a great toy. Hear me again, it's a great toy. It's fun to play with, and I guess you have even more fun crashing into things with this drone. And it's a great learning, it's something very nice to learn to fly a drone with, because there's a very steep learning curve with this. And it's easier to learn with something worth 400 Rand compared to trying your luck with something worth thousands and thousands of Rands. So my final verdict: it's a great toy to play with. You have fun crashing into things. If you want to have some fun, give it a try. And a reminder, discount link in the description below. Purchased from Banggood.